Most people look at these and think they're just disgusting little things stuck to a rock. And to be fair, they don't exactly look appetizing. But in places like Portugal, Hawaii and Japan, people actually eat these and pay a fair whack of money for them. So today, I'm going to cook them simply over the coals with some garlic butter, and we'll see how they fare. All right, let's go get them. We want to find some nice juicy ones. And they're going to need to be cleaned because they've got bits of rock on them, but yeah, that's kind of the size we want. I think I'm going to break my knife, so I'm going to have to resort to just knocking them off, I think, with a rock. Okay, so no knife or anything to chip them off with. They're pretty easy to collect. You just knock them with a stone. I say no knife, I've got a knife, but I didn't want to break it. All right, going to clean them off quickly and then build a fire, get cooking. If I'd have actually come prepared for foraging in my wellies, this would have been a lot easier. Limpets all clean. Now to start a fire. Whilst that fire is becoming a nice bed of coals, we will prep these limpets. And if you want to see what a limpet looks like, I'll let you have a look. In there, you see their little mouth at the front, their little antennas. And we eat the foot, the big muscle that sucks them onto the rocks. Yeah, and at the back of them there'll be a gut sac where it's a digestive system where all of the algae and seaweed that they eat, because they are herbivores, that's where it all ends up. But you want to get rid of that anyway, really, because if there's any type of baddies in the water, that's going to go into their digestive system. We don't want to eat that bit. So we have a mushroom foraging knife, some garlic cloves and some butter. And what we're going to do is just get some slices of garlic off. It's a fairly difficult knife to chop with. I might just use the back of it and crush it. Oh, there's my other knife. Where'd that go? Dope. I forgot I had Dougie's little knife. There you go. It's a little OPNL. Ah, we're in business now. Sorry, mushroom knife. We can chop away now. A bit close, you can roughly see what I'm doing. Just gonna get a limpet like this. A little bit of garlic in it. And then butter. And it's gonna basically cook in a garlic butter. And should be absolutely spanking. We will see. This is a generous amount of butter, but I'm anticipating a lot of it's probably gonna bubble over. All right, so a couple of them, I'm gonna put some pepper dulse on top, just a few of them. Get these coals ready. You can see them just cooking in their own shells in seconds. There we are then, limpets. So what you're going to do is you're going to be eating the foot there. You need to take off this black bit at the back. So it literally just comes straight off, like that. And then You've got the foot there. Wow. They are like, take a lot of chewing. A lot of chewing. Not horrible. Well, I'm gonna put some more on actually. For a bit of free protein. I mean, the garlic butter is going to help a lot, isn't it? Understand? I'll try one with some pepper dose. Bit of some pepper dose. So the question is, would you eat these? I'll definitely eat them again, and I will be eating them again. But would you? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe, and you'll see more of it. Easy as that. See you on the next one.